all the rain that we recently had, we decided to explore some waterfalls today. The first falls we went to had a number of no trespassing signs, so we're off to our next set.
It can be a little deceiving hiking into Apron Falls, for just off the road, 100 meters in, there's a small 4-foot falls. If one didn't know any better, they'd think this is all there is to see. To see the true Apron Falls, you have to hike another kilometer in on the roughly cut trail. During our hike in, it started to hail, which I don't think Jackson appreciated. A small section of North River diverges around Apron Falls, creating the smaller falls as it rejoins the river. Continuing on the trail for a short distance, you'll come to Apron Falls. Every write-up we read on Apron Falls stated how unique it is. Whereas the majority of the waterfalls in Nova Scotia consist of many smaller rocks, Apron Falls is made of one large piece of granite that's approximately 60 feet wide and 30 feet tall. We were lucky enough to be driving to our next destination when this hailstorm hit. Appropriately named for us, our next stop was at Dog Falls. Although I've heard people say that this is a waterfall in name only, as it's more rapids, it still provided a picturesque stop.